Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the 22mm replacement strap for the Garmin Forerunner 955. Well, at least that's what I bought it for, is a replacement for the Garmin Forerunner 955. I guess you could technically use it for any 22mm strap watch. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, quality like, etc. So it's kind of interesting. A lot of these replacement bands, they will give you a replacement pin. They did not give you replacement pins on this one, so you're going to have to use the original pins on your Garmin Forerunner 955. The other thing that's a little interesting is they did give you some tools, but not sure how well you'll see that. The tools are not what I would recommend for taking this watch off. This watch basically has a pin, and you're going to need to stick something in there to push that pin out. Maybe these would work. To me, they look a little bit thick for what you're going to need. They make some tools that are thinner to help you get in there. But nonetheless, I guess we could try them. Let's take a look at the straps themselves. So 22mm. I'm not going to replace the strap in this video. So you have a Garmin buckle on your original buckle. You can see that it says Garmin on it. This replacement strap obviously is not going to say Garmin because it's not a Garmin product. The Garmin, if you want to get the actual Garmin ones, they're quite a bit more expensive than these generic third-party ones. The one thing I will say that I'll give this company credit for is they at least tried to put a triangle on there to make it look like an authentic Garmin strap. You'll notice if you look at the triangle, though, it's different. It's they're using the wrong font size, but not sure how well people really care about that. Most of the replacement straps I get don't even have a logo on them at all, so I give them credit for trying. The length is about the same. The thickness appears to be about the same. Let's take a look at the bottom strap. Again, they put the triangle on it. If you look at the original Garmin strap, there's not even a triangle on it. So again, this third-party company just tried to make it look like a Garmin strap. It's a tad longer than the original strap that came on the Forerunner 955. But it should work in terms of thickness and length. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.